Forgotten username recovery failed on Brigit Fix. You tried to log into your Brigit account, tap forgot username, and the recovery just doesn't work. No email, no code, nothing. Here's the surprising truth: most people get this wrong. Brigit doesn't actually use usernames at all. Your login is linked directly to your registered email or phone number. So if recovery keeps failing, it's not a glitch. It usually means you're entering the wrong email or number. Let's walk through how to fix this step by step. First, search your inbox for any emails from Brigit. Look for messages like "Welcome to Brigit" or "Transaction Alert." The email that received those is the one tied to your account. That's your login. Once you find it, open the Brigit app or website and tap Forgot Password. Enter that same email, follow the reset link, and you'll be able to log back in. If the reset email doesn't show up, don't forget to check it at your spam or junk folders. And make sure your app is up to date. Old versions sometimes block recovery links or fail to send verification messages. If you still can't access your account, contact Brigit's support team by emailing info@brigit.com. Provide your full name, phone number, and the last 4 digits of the bank account linked to Brigit. I'll verify your identity and restore your login quickly. One more tip: always double check that you're using the official Brigit app or website. Fake or outdated pages can cause login errors and prevent recovery emails from going through. In short, the fix for a failed Brigit username recovery is simple. There is no separate username to retrieve. Use your correct email, reset your password, and update your app if needed. You'll be back into your Brigit account in no time.